Alright guys, we're going to watch the last little bit of this fight. I think that it's actually on the downhill. But just so we're all on the same page, we got Alex over here, Spencer's going on here, Travis has a nice happy economy, and then Austin's rolling against, we've got Jake over here, Taylor, myself, and Joel. We see that Joel is all set to go, and this is where we are at. So, going fast back to the game, we see that the front is kind of imploding. Spencer is sending troops to hold, going with the siege and the throwing axemen. Got a lot of troops going on here. Meanwhile, let's see here. I ran my troops around over here. Austin was trying to wall off, and so we attacked the stuff because we want to leave these open. Although there's a big spot open right here, so I don't know why I had to go around that way. But while that's going on over here, we see Travis is still, man, he's done a great job with the Trebs. Talk about effective. Alex is trying to rebuild. Right now we've got Travis's economy up. Really, he just needs to up his gold is what's really holding him back right now. Alex is just getting absolutely wrecked. Got troops here in the back going. And Taylor, or is that Joel? That's Joel. He's plunging. He's going to roll on through. I love it, Joel. I love it. Going, going, going. See, and if these walls had been up, earlier in the game, who knows what would have happened. But it is what it is. So Joel's continuing on. Some of Alex's troops. And right on the trade. And Taylor brought his troops right to the trade. So this is like the spot. And Travis has quit. Front's over here is still going. We see the throwing axemen right there. A lot of troops, but at this point, everyone's quit but Spencer. Spencer doesn't like to quit. Gotta hand it to him. He's a go-getter. He's gonna fight to the last man. He's had some bad luck recently, but, can't win them all. I want to look at his economy before he... Oh, never mind, he quit. So, leaving map. We look at the military's economy. So, Taylor for sure had the most points there. Wasn't even really close. Alex was definitely the anvil that game. Just kept getting punched. Joel with the least units lost there. Taylor with the most units killed. Me, Travis, and Alex were all kind of comparable with our losses. We look at our economies. I think that gold probably would have really helped out Travis. But, to each their own. When we look at Scent, so Travis and Spencer were feeding Alex, I would assume. Holy cow. Alex received so much stuff. They just kept feeding him. There's like, we're going to just carry you through this. I like it. So, good teammates, good plays. I'm sorry about the butt kicking, but only so much because I actually love these games. So, all right, gentlemen, pip pip.